Hi there. Yes, Goodness Usman here, your Fab Lady Realtor for Nigeria 2024. All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about another aspect of the real estate investment that is not so common in the Nigerian real estate market. And I know that a lot of people would be looking for such opportunity. Okay, so you will really have to watch this video to the end so that you can get all of the information of this particular investment I'm going to talk about. Like I said earlier, it's not common in this market, okay, but I feel it is something that will benefit every investor out there, right? So going into it, when we talk about real estate investment, the major thing that comes into our mind a lot of the times is either you're buying a land or you're buying a house, okay? So those are literally the major part of the real estate investment that some of us are used to. Of course, there's been part of it and all of that. Now I want to talk to you guys about and majorly when it comes to the land, what we're doing recently in this part of the emerging markets in Lagos is encouraging a lot of people to do land banking. Okay, so there's a lot of people. In fact, before now, so many don't know anything about land banking. I won't be shocked if you're watching me now and you also don't know yet. You are yet to know anything about land banking. All right, so that's another topic for another. But I believe that so many that are watching me right now know about land banking. Either they have heard about it or because they have done it before. So majority of what we have for investors are land banking, mostly in these emerging markets. All right, so yes, because of this land banking now has been on for a while, you don't get to see when there's a new product introduced into the market, you don't get to hear from investors saying they're tired of buying into a land. Some people go, I bought a lot of land. This places will take 2 years, 3 years. Like I said again, it's emerging market, so it's gonna take a while. So because of that, some investors are already tired, however, of buying more or acquiring more land. Of course, why some will still buy anyway, they are still buying. But what am I going to with this is that we've seen that investors are looking for more solutions where they can put in their money and then get high return on their money and not necessarily have to wait for longer years. That's one aspect. Now the other aspect of what I've discovered also in my longer years of experience in this business, going to my 7th year now, is that a lot of investors also are, they want to ask you, some want to ask, will ask rather, if I'm buying into this land, how long do I get? Can you give me the guarantee that when I buy, you will help me sell it when I'm ready in 2 years or when I'm ready in 1 year? You can help me sell and get my money back. I've seen a lot of investors who refuse to invest in this market because they don't have that guarantee. So they want me as a realtor to, is it that they're looking for realtors to guarantee them or they're looking for the company to guarantee them? And trust me, that has not really happened so much in this market. I'm not saying it has never happened, but I mean it's not a common thing in this current market. All right, so due to these two things, this company has decided to start what is called land trading. Okay, so it's like you're trading, but it's you want to trade your money for land. Okay, it's different from land banking. Land banking is you buying a land and holding on to it for a couple of years and then disposing it at your convenience. Now this land trading is completely different. Okay, it's about the same process, but the good thing is that it's an investment scheme. Okay, so you're going to be getting two things out of this land trading. You're going to be getting money, guarantee money back, and then you're going to, you have the assurance that you don't have to hold on to the land. Okay, you can dispose the land at the time you pick up. So let me fully explain this. If you buy a land and this is only on, it is Richfield that is doing this now. So first of all, the name of the company is Richfield. Richfield Nigeria is the one doing this now, and they're doing it on their estate in Mowe, Richfield Garden City, which is selling right now at 6 million naira per plot. But because they had a promo on, so it's still 4.5. Now for this scheme, they want to do it at still 4.5 million naira per plot. All right, so now when you buy a plot of land in Richfield Garden at 4.5 million naira, you're guaranteed to have 20% back payments as investment for the period of 9 months. So they have different schemes. You can do 9 months, you can do 12 months, and also do 18 months. That's what they have here. So for 9 months on your 4.5 million naira, you get 20% back. Now for, let's do 4.5 million naira, 10% of it is definitely 450,000 naira, right? So for 9 months, if you put 4.5 million naira down, you're guaranteed to get extra of 900,000 naira. So it means that you're getting 5.4 million naira back. So what they are doing is, you're getting 20% for 9 months. Let me explain. You're getting 30% for 12 months, and you're getting 50% in 18 months. Now, the good thing about this thing is that when you're buying the land, actually, so if you buy the land, and there are different sizes, you can buy 600 square meter, you can buy 300 square meter, you can buy 150 square meter. The lowest square meter you can buy is 75 square meter. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to buy one plot. You can buy from 75 square meter. Now, but let's talk about the one plot now for easy explanation. So when you buy into this scheme now, you're trading, you're giving them 4.5 million naira. You will get your usual document, your land receipt, your contract of sale, and your invoice. Usual normal transaction, you will get it. Now, you will not get another contract that stipulates these conditions for this trading. That you are trading for your money for this percentage. You have agreed on this percentage with the company. So when you sign up for 9 months, you have this separate contract. Now, so two things will happen after 9 months. Your contract is no longer, you say you're not renewing the contract, and then the company gives you, you give them the account number, they send your 5.4 million naira back to you, cash, no hassle, no stress. You're not holding on to the land, you're not having a headache about it, and all of that. Same thing with the 1 year, same thing with the 18 months. Okay, so this is the way the scheme works. Also, you can now decide after the 9 months to keep your land. Yes, you can keep your land after 9 months, but get your 900,000 naira. You pay you back a dividend, and then you keep your equity. So it means that the money you invest, you keep your land. It is at this point when you now say you want to keep your land, that's when you now pay for your documentation. But if you're not keeping the land, you're not paying for any documentation. I hope this explanation, I hope I've been able to break it down. Okay, so like I said, there are 3 different options. You have for 9 months, the minimum, you have for 12 months, and you have for 18 months. 20% for 9 months, 30% for 12 months, and 50% for 18 months. You have your money back guarantee. You can just walk away. Put your money into this scheme, get your money, your initial capital and your interest, and then walk away. A lot of people have money in the bank they intend to use next year, but they don't want to put it into land because they are not sure of how they're going to sell the land in the future. You understand how these things work? If I buy a land now at 4.5 million naira, how am I sure in another 1 year's time I'm going to sell it off quickly? It might not be quick. So because of that, some people are restrained by that and they don't invest in real estate because they don't want to be in it for long term. So this is the short-term thing. So you want to look for a means where to put your money to work for you aside from saving it in the bank. This is a good means. Now the catch here is they started this scheme they just introduced it actually, and it's going to run for 1 month. So we only have 1 month window. It's going to end 20th of January 2022. God keeping us alive. So yes, you only have that window, and they're only running it for just this estate. Okay, so if this works for you, if you're looking for a good place to put your money right now, this is good. There are questions, there are FAQs that might be in your mind. You might be asking them, what's the plan? Who is Richfield? What is the size of the land? Do you get paid monthly, your ROI? There are so many frequently asked questions here, but I cannot deal with it here because it's too long and the video will be too long. So if this interests you, what I would advise you to do is to send me a chat now or call me. Okay, let's talk about this full. When you call me, I'll give you every full details that you know. But the most important thing you should know is if you trade in this with your money, and at the end of the trade, the end of your chosen date, you get your money, you can walk away. But if you want to get your ROI, you can still keep your land. So you can get your ROI smoothly, like the 900,000 naira, keep your 4.5 million naira. Because the thing is, at the end of that scheme, the property will not be the same. The land will not be costing the same thing. So if you choose, but it's optional. It is only until after your chosen date that you decide to either walk away or keep the land. So like I said, you can walk away cleanly, collect your money and your ROI, or collect your ROI and keep your land. Then, which is when you now decide to keep your land, that's when you now have to pay for the documentation. That's the survey and the deed of assignment. They will now document the land. But without that, you don't have to. You can always walk away with that contract. All right. I hope this is self-explanatory enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know you won't get it very well, but when you watch this is just to introduce it to you guys, and then it's called land trading. All right, so when you call me, I'll give you all of the information. This is no scam as far as I'm concerned. The product is involved. If it's somebody telling you to bring something without the product, that's where I don't have. But this is a product. The land is involved, and the land is as good as, is an asset. So yeah, exactly. All right, thank you so much once again for watching this video. My name is Goodness Usman. I'll be waiting for your call to answer all your questions, and then let's see how you can get on board on this if it interests you. The thing also is that this is not done on the whole estate. It's done on a particular plot. They've set out a plot for this trade. Okay, so you have limited time. You might have to get on board before the required numbers is attained. Once the numbers is filled up, that's it, till on a later time. I don't know when next they're going to do this. All right, thank you once again. My name is Goodness Usman. Of course, I'm your family director. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button. I'll see you when you give me a call. But right now, I have to go, so I say, what double.